Hello, I'm Michael. Welcome to this lesson. Today's lesson is about food and drink. We will look at flashcards of food and drink. Then you will have the option to write down what you have learnt and practicing saying the words. And at the end of the lesson, we will have a small test. I hope you enjoy, so let's carry on. So today's lesson, I said, is about food and drink. And the first food is, do you know? This is sausage. Can you say after me? Sausage. One more time, sausage. Well done. And the next food is, do you know? Pizza. Very good. So say after me, pizza. Pizza. Very good. And the next thing is milk. Milk. Can you say after me? Milk. Milk. Very good. And the next is sandwich. Sandwich. Can you say after me? Sandwich. Sandwich. Very good. And the next is rice. Rice. And can you say after me? Rice. Well done. Rice. Very good. And next we have, do you know what it is? Bread. Bread. So say after me, bread. Well done, very good. Bread. And the next one is, do you know? This is juice. Juice. Can you say after me? Juice. Juice. Well done. Very good. And next we have yummy ice cream. Ice cream. We all like ice cream? I do. Ice cream. Say after me, ice cream. Very good. Ice cream. And next we have, do you know? This is salad. Salad. So say after me, salad. Very good. Salad. And the last one, this is, do you know? You eat with chopsticks. We call this noodle. Noodle. So say after me, noodle. Well done. Excellent. Noodle. Very good. So now I will put some pictures up and you can write down what each picture is. Then we will check at the end if you learn. Okay, here we go. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Now, let's check your answers and see how well you have learnt this lesson. Number 1 was noodle. Number 2 was salad. Number 3 was juice. And number 4 was bread. Number 5 was rice. And number 6 was sandwich. Number 7 was milk. And number 8 was pizza. Number 9 was sausage. And finally, number 10 was ice cream. Well done, everybody. I hope you did well in the test and got the answers correct. Don't worry if you didn't, not a problem. You can do the lesson again and test your learning again. Hopefully you will get them all right. Just keep learning. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the lesson. If there are other subjects you would like to learn, put some comments below. Thanks and bye for now.